ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। साधना पंचकम by Bhagwan Adi Shankaracharya. So what is this sadhana panchakam? So to do sadhana, Bhagwan Shankaracharya has given these 5 verses. Panchakam means 5. So 5 verses of sadhana. So each verse is having 8 values. In that way, total 5 verses. 5 verses means each verse 8, 8 into 5, 40 values are given here for sadhana. The seeker wants to do sadhana to reach the ultimate reality, the realization of the God. To reach that truth, he has to do some sadhana. So this seeker is given here, 40 values are given here, and these values he has to practice in his life. But the seeker is also living in this world where other people are also living. The majority of the people are living in the sensual pleasures. Among them, the seeker has to live among these people, worldly people and worldly objects. And also he has to do the sadhana. So it's very difficult, it is not easy, but these values are very, very easy to practice. Once he practices, he can rise above this body, mind, intellect. In this Advaita philosophy, he has to rise above this body, mind, intellect. Because in Dvaita, there will be lots of rituals are there, puja and homas, yagas, that is all Advaita. So in Advaita, he has to rise above the body, mind, intellect, and he has to merge with this consciousness. His true nature is a supreme consciousness, but because of ignorance, he is now identified with the body, mind and intellect. So here, by doing this sadhana, he rises above the body, mind, intellect, and he identifies with his true nature, that is supreme consciousness. So the first verse is Vedo nityam adhiyatam taduditam karmasvanushtiyatam teneshasya vidhiyatam apachitihi kamye matistyajyatam papaugha paridhuyatam bhavasuke doshonusandhiyatam atme cha vyavasiyatam nijagruhat turnam vinirgamyatam. So this is the first verse. In this first verse, there are 8 values are given by Bhagwan Shankaracharya. So what is the first value? Vedo nityam adhiyatam. Today we are talking about Vedo nityam adhiyatam. So every human being has to study the Shastras, Vedas. What are these Vedas? The Vedas are 4 in number: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharvana Veda, Sama Veda. And each Veda is having 3 portions. First one is about glorifying the Lord. The second portion is all about the rituals, homas, yagas. And the third one is Vedanta, that is Upanishads. So now the human being has to study the Vedas every day, means he has to study the Upanishads every day. What is given here? The Upanishads is talking about that absolute truth. So every human being must read the Vedas. Vedo nityam adhiyatam. Nityam, every day. Adhiyatam, he has to study. Swadhyaya, he has to do every day. Why he has to do every day? Because in this world full of sensual pleasures are there, sense objects are there, and worldly people are there. Among them he is living. To get inspiration, to lift his mind from this worldly state to the higher levels, and to get inspiration, he has to study this Shastras, he has to study this Vedas. So that's what here is given. Not even a single day he should miss. Every day he has to read. How long he has to read? He has to read as long as he has to reach the ultimate reality, that absolute Brahman. So up to that he has to read it. So Vedo nityam adhiyatam. So every day he has to study the Shastras. Hari Om.